We've journeyed through the basics of Bitcoin, demystifying a complex subject and bringing it into clear focus. Here's a quick recap. Bitcoin is a digital currency that offers an alternative to traditional money. It's built on blockchain technology, ensuring secure and transparent transactions. You have control over your funds, with the ability to send and receive money globally. Security and education are crucial to safely navigate the Bitcoin landscape. Moving forward, embracing Bitcoin doesn't mean you have to become a tech expert or invest your life savings. It starts with curiosity and a willingness to learn. Whether you choose to dip your toes or dive in headfirst, understanding Bitcoin positions you to appreciate the evolving financial landscape. Final thoughts. The world of Bitcoin is ever-changing and full of possibilities. As technology advances, it brings new opportunities and challenges. Staying informed is your best tool for navigating this exciting frontier. Consider exploring 1. Other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin opened the door, but many other digital currencies offer unique features. 2. Blockchain applications beyond finance. Blockchain technology is impacting industries like healthcare, supply chain, and real estate. 3. Community involvement, engaging with online forums, local meetups, or educational courses can deepen your understanding and connect you with others. Remember, it's never too late to learn something new. By listening to this podcast, you've taken the first step toward grasping a concept that could shape the future. Keep exploring, stay curious, and enjoy the journey into the world of Bitcoin.